Welcome folks, I'm your host AK, and now we have a new YouTube handle. It's called youtube.com at Mr. AK. Of course, Mr. AK is here. Folks, I've been very busy with family, traveling all over the world, to Greece, to Athens, Mykonos, Santorini, Switzerland, London, and so on and so forth. But I'm back, and I'm back with a very special video, especially for people who are financially savvy. Why? One word: free money. Free money, folks. I'm not kidding and I'm not joking. This is not some sale or something, some sort of a pitch. This is real money. And I had no idea all these banks were offering us all this money. And I was shocked when I see this, and I'm here to show you how it's done today. So if that's what you're here for, stick around to learn more. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm your host AK. I'm an accredited investor and an entrepreneur. I dabble with real estate, equities market, and also e-commerce and many other things. Well, let me show you folks how easy it is to make money these days with the high interest rate. Folks, in every market, there's an opportunity. And I'm here to tell you there's a mega opportunity that I want to share with you guys, and how easy it is. But there are only two conditions. Either you have a large spending that's up and coming for credit cards, or you have money laying in the bank that you can move around. Those are the two ways you can make money by this hack, okay? That's what I'm calling a $2,000 hack. And it's free, folks. It's really free. So hear me out till the end of the video. You're gonna love this content. So I have with me all these different, offers, right? Let's start with Chase. Chase is giving, here, if you wanna come close, Chase is giving a $600 offer, $600 for free, if you open an account with them, a checking account with any amount you want, okay? And a savings account with $15,000 that you're supposed to keep for 3 months. Only 3 months, then you can take it out, okay? 3 months, a savings deposit and a checking account, and a direct deposit from your employer, okay? So if you make a few $1,000s a month, have a direct deposit in Chase, chase.com. Chase, you should sponsor me on this because I'm giving you a shout out. So Chase will give you $600 for free. I'm not kidding, folks. I've already been there, done that. I bought the t-shirt and sold it, okay? Let's look at one more. US Bank. US Bank is offering 3% cashback, which is not a big deal, but guess what? They're also offering $500. $500, folks. Again, if you open a bank account with them. It's very easy. It comes with scan your QR code here and go to the link, usbank.com/mybizoffer. Scan the QR code, move some money in your bank account, and voila. Check it out, folks. It's free money, right? I just gave you $600 with Chase Bank. This is another $500 bonus, folks. $500 bonus for keeping $4,500 in your account for 150 days. So what are you waiting for, folks? This is free money. I'm not kidding you, right? Folks, as I told you, and I'm keeping my promise so far, let me show you more evidence, okay? Forget about all this. Let me show you more evidence. Let's talk about credit cards for a second. 90,000 points, okay? Amex is offering 90,000 points. This is not just for businesses, this is for personal or business. You can get a personal card or a business card. It doesn't matter. You can get one in pink, one in golden, and they give you $90,000, folks. 90,000 points, not dollars. 90,000 points and 4x returns on rewards, membership, supermarkets, groceries, all for spending at least $5,000 in the next 3 to 4 months. Folks, this is free money. If you have a big purchase coming up, maybe buy a new suit in London or something, or whatever that may be. If you have a purchase coming up, if you're renovating your house and you're spending money, spend money on this card. Get these two cards, folks, spend the money on it. You're gonna get 90,000 points worth almost $1,000. So how are we doing so far, folks, right? We have $900, then we have $600, then we have $500. How much is that? That's $2,000, folks. I've already given you a technique, a hack to make $2,000 for free, right? You have a spending coming up already. That's already planned. Why waste that spending? Put that money on the credit card. In fact, get 2 of those. You're gonna get $900 each. So now you're at $2,900 with 2 cards, one personal, one business. Open 2 bank accounts, separate accounts, one Chase, one US Bank, and folks, you are already at $2,000. Guess what? We don't stop there, right? We never stop there. We always take it far because you're talking to Mr. AK. And my advice to you is do this repetitively, every 3 to 4 months. Do the same technique, because guess what? There are other banks also offering you the same thing, folks. And it doesn't matter, folks, which bank. There's a lot of banks. There's a bank called Fifth Third Bank. That's an online bank that I use for some of my properties. to get some loans from them. They gave me really good loans, really good rates, folks. So they're also offering, some insane 5% cashback on gas and groceries and so on and so forth. So these cards and these offers are everywhere. Now some of you might ask, AK, why do you care about all these things? Why do you care about a few $100s? So why do you care about a few $100s? Yes, I know some of you are thinking that. But here's the thing, folks. You have to like money to make money. You'll never get rich if you don't like making money. It's the process. It's not about a few $100, a few $1,000s. It's about learning how to make money. It's about learning how to game the system. It's about learning how to hack. These offers are free. I don't go chase them down. They came to me. They want to give me money. Why won't I take their money? It took me 10 minutes to open these two accounts. US Bank, Chase Bank. Now I'm going to do a Capital One account. And I got $2,000, folks, just for doing nothing, right? The money was sitting in my bank anyways. Why won't you move it around if some other bank can give you better money? So make sure you have good credit so you can apply for these offers, and then make sure you have some money in the bank. And if you don't have money, beg, steal, and borrow, okay? Do something, ask a friend, move money around. Folks, don't steal, okay? Don't steal. I did not say that. Do not steal, but you can certainly beg and borrow, okay? So, all jokes aside. But guess what? I recently found out on my own Capital One Bank. Capital One Bank is also offering some insane amount of money, folks. Here, if you don't believe me, let's have a look at it together. So Capital One is offering a new 360 account. If you open an account and a savings account, same concept, same deals, and you can make another $400 or $500. How it works: earn $50 if you open a bonus checkings account, and then if you put 50,000, you make more money, $500, and so on and so forth. So the deal is the same, folks. All these banks are offering you insane amount of rewards, folks. Look at this, insane amount of 28,000 points. And I made $763 cash, okay, just in the past few months, okay. Because I have good credit, yes, my credit is over 780, but so what? They don't care about credit. They care about money being moved around to the bank. So take my advice, move the money around to these banks, and don't forget. Well, guess what? Click like and subscribe. Share the link. Share this information to everybody, folks, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, whatever that may be, folks. Try to educate other people. So folks, I've proven to you free money is possible. This is how rich people get rich. Because people who are not savvy are rich. They just look at this, they're like, oh my God, I have to spend all this money and I'm gonna get only $900. I don't want it. I don't want it. But what you can do is you can take advantage of it if you already have a spending coming in. So this is how rich people make money, folks. There's not rocket science, not like you have to go to some Grant Cardone seminar to get rich. You can get rich just by education, just by watching YouTube, folks. So I hope you took something away from this. All these banks are offering a lot of money, so I hope you take advantage of it. And I'm back, folks. I'm going to be making consistent videos, short videos. I'm very busy these days, doing some property deals, doing some e-commerce stuff and consulting gigs and so on and so forth. So if you have a question or a comment, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. If you want to contact me with some advice on personal finance, investing, real estate deals, or tax help, or whatever that may be, please leave a comment or write to me at askakhow@gmail.com. Ask AK How, and AK will solve your problem. So, folks, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure being with you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, I love you all. Goodbye.